Do you have a balcony that's more storage unit than stylish retreat? You are not alone. Many of us neglect this valuable outdoor space, seeing it as a design challenge rather than a potential oasis. But what if I told you that with a few smart ideas and a little creativity, you could transform even the tiniest balcony into your favorite spot for morning coffee or evening relaxation? Hey everyone, and welcome back to Morning Home. I am your host, and today we are diving into the best balcony decorating tips and ideas for any space and any budget. From lush greenery to cozy lighting, we will cover different actionable tips that will help you create a beautiful and functional outdoor haven. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe for more home decor inspiration, and hit that notification bell. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1: go green, go vertical. Plants are essential for bringing life to a balcony, but if you are short on floor space, think upwards. Use vertical planters, hanging basket, or a trellis to grow climbing plants. This maximizes your growing area without sacrificing spacious secure footage. Chooses easy care, long lasting plants that suit your balcony sun exposure. Tip number 2: invest in smart space saving furniture. Bulky furniture will only make a small balcony feel cramped. Look for foldable chairs and tables that can be tucked away when not in use. Stackable stools are also a great option. Consider a built-in bench with hidden storage for cushions and gardening supplies. Multifunctional items are key here. Tip number 3: layer your lighting. Ambience is everything. Bright overhead lights are not cozy. Instead, use warm string lights, solar powered lanterns, and props of few scented candles. Wrap fairy lights around railings or furniture to create a warm, inviting glow. Perfect for those relaxing evenings. Tip number 4: ground your space with a rug. An outdoor friendly rug can instantly define your balcony area and add mixed texture and color it. Make the space feel like an extension of your indoor living area, adding comfort. Underfoot option for a durable, weather resistant material. Tip number 5: create an instant privacy screen. If you are overlooking by neighbors, privacy is crucial for relaxation. Use bamboo sheets that can be raised and lowered, or install a simple screen. Tall, bushy plants in large pots can also serve as a natural green barrier. Number 6 tip: bring in textiles and personal touch. Add outdoor cushions, throw pillows, and soft blankets to your sitting for maximum comfort. Incorporate items that reflect your personality. Maybe a unique piece of art, a small water feature for a calming sound, or colorful terracotta pots. Next tip is budget friendly DIY. Going vertical with plants, using smart furniture, layering lighting, and adding cozy textile, you can completely transform your balcony from neglected space to a stylish urban oasis. It's amazing what a little intention can do to an outdoor area. Which of these ideas was your favorite? Let me know in the comment below. I would love to hear what you are planning for your own space. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up and share it with the friends who need some balcony inspiration. And if you are not already subscribed to Mooring Home for more home decor tips and inspiration every week, thank you for watching and I will see you in next video. Happy decorating. Allah Hafiz.